Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Figma versus Frontend Developers. We'll explore their distinct roles in creating digital products, from initial design concepts to fully functional web applications. Figma empowers designers with collaborative tools for crafting user interfaces and prototypes. Meanwhile, Frontend Developers translate these visual blueprints into interactive experiences using code. Understanding their individual strengths and how they collaborate is key to successful project delivery, ensuring a seamless transition from design to development. Figma stands as a leading design tool, enabling teams to collaborate seamlessly on user interfaces and prototypes. Designers leverage its powerful features, like auto layout and components, to build intricate design systems and high-fidelity mockups. With hundreds of available plugins, it extends its capabilities, allowing for efficient creation and iteration of visual designs, ensuring a consistent user experience across various platforms. It's a central hub for visual product development. Front-end developers are the architects of the user-facing web, transforming static designs into dynamic, interactive experiences. They meticulously craft the visual and interactive elements using core web technologies: HTML for structure, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for functionality. Their expertise ensures that websites are not only visually appealing, but also responsive, accessible, and performant across a multitude of devices and browsers, delivering a smooth user journey. They bring designs to life. The synergy between Figma and front-end development is paramount for efficient project execution. Figma files serve as the definitive source of truth, providing developers with precise specifications, assets, and styling information. Tools within Figma allow for easy handoff, enabling developers to inspect elements and extract code snippets. This close collaboration, coupled with clear communication, ensures that the final product accurately reflects the design vision, bridging the gap between concept and reality, and delivering a cohesive user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.